Starting with the rectangular tiles that we have, the 3x4 rectangles, we can actually tile around the edge to leave a 5x5 square in the middle. To do that, we simply place our rectangular tiles, or if they have been cut into triangles, we construct back the 3x4 tiles so that we get these 9x4 rectangles. And those arrangements we can rotate so that we have 4 of them around the edge of our 13x13 square, creating a 5x5 square in the middle. Now, if we can succeed in tiling that, we're done. We are indeed able to tile the central 5x5 square using the tiles if they've been cut up into 3, 4, 5 triangles alongside the additional 1x1 square tile. Looking at this arrangement, you can see the lines that are drawn in blue are the 3s. Blue plus red create the 4s. So we have 4 of these triangles. We remember that they're all actually right-angled triangles, which means that because we have straight lines here, we also have right angles at the center. Now we know for that central shape that all the angles are 90 degrees, so it's at least a rectangle, but actually also all the sides are 1 because it's 4 minus the 3 from this other triangle, so we know that they are forming a 1x1 square in the middle, which means it can be perfectly tiled by fitting in that final square 1x1 tile. A general argument can be constructed using this coloring. If we start tiling in the top left corner, we will need to tile this part. So let's think about how that will work. Now the tile there has to be actually aligned with the corner, because otherwise we will create a triangle up here that we have not covered with our tiling. So each of the tiles will need to be aligned with the grid and indeed lie exactly in line with the grid. So each square is covered by exactly 1 tile. If I place a 3x4 tile in this arrangement, I can see that I will cover at most 1 coloured square, because the next one is too far away to reach. If I place a 1x1 square tile, well, it can lie exactly on top of one of the coloured squares or on top of one of the non-coloured squares. So again, I can cover up to 1 coloured square. I can count, and there are 16 coloured squares in this arrangement. However, I only have 15 tiles available to me, the 14 rectangular ones and the 1 square one. So the tiling is impossible.